Okay, today I'm gonna show you how to play Netflix on your 2014 Acadia Denali. Okay, your kids can watch any movie with your ROKU Plus stick. ROKU Plus stick. Okay, so I'm gonna show you how to get it done, so you don't have to you don't have to rent or buy DVDs at the red box or whatever, buy DVDs at Walmart. All you gotta do is play Netflix, Hulu, and other apps. Roku has a lot of apps, so I'm gonna show you just with Netflix how to work with it, or how you can watch movies. Not just the kids, all the family can watch. The guys in the back can watch a movie. So okay, this is how it is. Okay, you wanna need this cable. It comes with a rock stick in the box. Okay, as you can see right here. Okay, where is red and white, blue. Okay, and that's the charger. This is the charger, because ROKU needs to be charging while you playing the rock stick. Okay, now we're gonna put this one right here. Okay, and that's HDMI cable, is for if you wanna put on your TV inside, Okay, now I'm gonna just place it right here so I can work with it. Okay, I'm gonna place it right here. All right, and as you can see right there, but first you gotta search over here in the back. You gotta search for rear auxiliary input. Okay, and right here, just bring it down, and it's already set up. You can turn it off right here. Yeah, you can turn it off, you can turn it on. Okay, most of the time you wanna see this screen, but all you gotta do is, on your remote, you gotta press AUX. Yeah, AUX all the time. You gotta turn it on and UX in. All right, and it's ready. So you gotta do the same in the front, because I already had it. So right here. Okay, your car might look just like that, right? Your car might just look like that. You're gonna be like, where do I type, or where do I click in order to watch rock? So you're gonna come over here, and you're gonna click rear. You're gonna click that one. Okay, and then you're gonna see the the ROKU, whatever you call it. All right, then let's go to the back, and then you're gonna get the I lost where did I put the it's right here. Okay, now we are gonna now it's in the front and in the back. All right, let's play Netflix now. Always remember to point your remote to your ROKU stick. Okay, Netflix, it might take a few seconds, but first I didn't explain you something. Okay, let's go back home. Let's go home. Okay, but first you gotta type your own settings. right here on settings, you gotta type your network, about, and check connection. Or you can, I mean, I already have my connection and then my Wi-Fi. So I'm outside at home, so I'm using my Wi-Fi. But if you go somewhere outside your home, you gotta put your network carrier hotspot. You know, if you use Verizon, T-Mobile, AT&T, you gotta put your network hotspot. If you got it, if you don't, well, you're not gonna be able to play while you out of the town, you know. So okay, it's checking connection. It's gonna, it always take a few. Okay, I'm already connected, so I don't have to wait for this. But it's not moving. Okay, let's do it again. Set up connection. Let's set it up real quick again because something went wrong. So we're gonna set it up, the Wi-Fi connection, real quick, just to show you how it works. Okay, that's my Wi-Fi right there. I'm gonna click on the first one and just connect. I already got the password and everything there. Yeah. Just wait a couple minutes. Okay, that's it. It's working. Let's go back. Let's go back. Okay, let's go all the way to the top. We're gonna play Netflix. Yeah, we're gonna play Netflix. It's gonna take a couple. You know, this is 2014 Acadia Denali. So if you got a like Acadia Denali or any Denali or any car or truck that has this system in the back, and you got like a hotspot in your phone, you got it. Yeah. Okay, let's see. We're gonna play this movie right here. My little girl, she's 4 years old. She likes to watch a lot of cartoons. So we're gonna be driving away tomorrow. So I already got this ready for her and for my little son too. So yeah. Okay, this is in the back, and you can see in the front too. You can see the screen in the front when you are parked, but when you are moving, you are not gonna be able to watch anything in the front. Just you're gonna be able to watch just whatever you got in the front, like GPS or music, whatever is playing. But when you're driving, you're not gonna be able to watch anything. Okay, that's how it is. You see that? It's a ROKU Express Plus. ROKU Express Plus. Yeah, that's how you play it. I'm gonna show you in the front. I don't have too much volume right here.
3 years. Your voice is really annoying. Gosh,
I mean, it's dark. That's why you don't see too much in the screen. It's dark in there, so yeah.
Where'd you hear that?
Okay. That's how you do it. Thanks for watching.